Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Starting your photography journey and picking your first camera is overwhelming. With so many options available, it is very easy to get lost in technical details. In this video, I'm not recommending any specific cameras, but I share some essential tips that helps you to choose the right camera based on your needs. So without any further ado, let's dive into it. Before choosing a camera, you need to ask yourself, do you want to focus on photography, videography, or both? And second question is, will your content be merely for social media, or it's going to be for a professional portfolio? And the third question is, what is your budget? You need to answer these questions to make it easier for you to get on the right path to purchase what you really want and what you really need. Tip number one is consider purchasing used. If you're on a budget, consider used or manufacturer refurbished camera. Many stores sell pre-owned gears with 1 year warranty, and this makes it an affordable way to start. When choosing a camera, whether it's full frame ASPC or macro four thirds, make sure it has interchangeable lenses and also a manual exposure mode. Learning how to shoot in manual mode is crucial to learn how to expose your images properly. If budget is not a concern, just go for the top of the line and get yourself a beautiful camera and a fantastic lens and enjoy shooting. Tip number two, take your time. Do not rush the purchase. Buying a camera is an investment, and making a hasty decision may lead to regret in a couple of weeks. Find cameras within your budget, read reviews, and watch YouTube comparisons. If possible, visit a camera store and just try different model of cameras and lenses. Some retailers even offer rentals, so it's a good idea to rent a camera and try it for a couple of days before buying one. Tip number four is, do not buy a kit lens. Kit lenses are affordable but often low quality. They come with a very small aperture opening and they struggle in low light conditions. And this produces a noisy image with poor shadow details. Instead of buying a kit lens, invest your money and buy a good lens, good quality lens, something like a 50mm 1.8 that produces sharp images, beautiful images at a very reasonable price. Even a flagship camera with a low quality cheap lens doesn't produce any stunning photos. And the last tip is, spend more of your money to purchase a good lens. Camera bodies are outdated quickly, but the lenses are gonna stay with you for years. Let me show you an example. This is a Nikon 55mm micro f3.5. I purchased this in 1978, and the camera I was using this with is gone, but I'm still taking pretty nice pictures with this 1:1 micro. Another example is this Nikon 70-210, was made in 1981. and I purchased it in 1984, something like that, and I'm still using it on my Nikon F2. Well, when you buy a lens, you invest, so don't hesitate to buy a good lens. And as a bonus for you, I'm going to give you an advice. As a beginner, take your time to learn all the features of your camera. Keep shooting and keep practicing until when you grab your camera and you're holding your camera in your hand, you feel it as an extension of you. In my next video, I'll be sharing my top camera brand recommendations for beginners, so don't miss it. By subscribing to the channel, you won't miss any of the upcoming videos. I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any question, just leave it in the comments. I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. As always, take good care of yourself, keep shooting, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.